Cavitation occurs when a pump is starved of fluid. Please look carefully at the red dashed parting line. This parting line separates the high pressure and the low pressure side. Cavitation is evident across this parting line. As the valve plate does not move, the damage stays localized at the parting line only. Pitted surface is visible under a microscope. In the microscopic view, accumulation of debris from other areas of the circuit is evident.
As the cylinder block is a rotating component, the damage is evident all around the top surface of the block. As the material is eroded, telltale pits are formed. Contamination and debris collects in these pits and causes consequential wear. Parts subject to cavitation damage become unusable forever and must be discarded.